Alright, how's everybody doing this evening? Back again with another video for you guys and gals, and tonight what I have for everyone is another unboxing and first impressions of a really cool product that just came in that I'm really excited to start my review process on. So this is my unboxing and first impressions of the EURPMASK smartphone stand. Okay, so I know I butchered that name, but I think I pronounced it right. EURPMASK smartphone stand. Okay, and this is something similar to the Ben Eve stand that I reviewed. Okay, so y'all know I kind of got an addiction to these smartphone stands, so this is another one. So let's unbox it and let's get into these first impressions. That being said, before we unbox it and get into the first impressions, let's take a look at the packaging and see how they did. So up front here, just on the top, we got a little bit of company branding with a nice logo and the name. Really good stuff here. It's clean on this side. This is also where it opens from. It's clean on this side. Then we got some barcode information right here and a made in China sticker right there. Clean on that side. Flipping it to the back, we have some instructions here. So everything is labeled and it tells you how to put it together and everything that it comes with. So we got a key, a screw, and then all the pieces. So really good stuff. Really nice packaging, a little plain, but decent, not bad at all. Now, cracking into the box, let's see what we're working with here. Alright, so directly right up top, we have the warranty card. So good stuff there. Let me give y'all a close-up of that. Okay. And a thank you card on the front. So good stuff there. Alright, other than that, we should have all the pieces we need here. So here's one. Take this divider out. Here's the base. I heard the screw rattle around in there. So this is everything we need right here. Make sure I didn't forget anything. Nope, this is all empty now. As you can see right there, it's all empty. So let's drop that in. Now, let me show you all the pieces before I pause to put this bad boy together. Alright, so let's put this warranty card over here too. Gonna come back to that. So let's start with this piece first right here. Okay, so this looks like the main holder portion. That looks good, and this is the black model here, so not bad at all. Put that down right there. Then what is this? This looks like the base right here. Yep, so this is the base. The main screw goes right there. Don't know how well y'all can see that. The main screw goes right in there, and it comes out through this base portion right here. Bam. So that's the base. Okay. This looks like the connector piece. So let's slide that out. Yep, this is the connector piece. I'm assuming it goes right on like this. And then the screw goes in. So that's the connector piece. Alright. And then we should just have our tools here. Let me get this plastic out of here. Okay, and then we have the screw and the Allen key. So let's slide these out. Hopefully try not to make a mess here. Alright, it opens this way. Okay, so here's your screw. This is gonna hold everything together. And then here's your Allen key. Now this Allen key is a little bit flimsy, but I have the other Allen key from the last stand that I put together. So we're gonna try and use this, but if it doesn't work out, I do have the other one as well. But here is everything that comes in the package with your EURPMASK your EURPMASK phone stand. Alright? So let me just lay this out for y'all. So screw, the Allen key, the base, the mount or the holder, and the midsection. Alright, so this is everything that came in the package, and we do have those instructions on the back of the box to work with. So let me just show you those instructions one more time in case you didn't pause and read or pause and look at. Show you those instructions one more time, and we're also going to follow along with these. So everything is labeled, so A, B, C, D, E, and then it neatly breaks down how you put it all together. So let's see if we can use these instructions and put it all together. Let me pause real quick and we'll be right back. Alright. Okay, so I think we got it here. Got it all put together. It was a little confusing because you had to put this piece on this piece first, make sure it's snug. Then you mount this piece on this piece, and then you run the screw from the bottom all the way to the top, and you keep this pressed down while you use the Allen key to make sure this is snug, and then you're good to go. Once this is nice and flush and everything is tight, you should be good to go, and this adjusts up and down like this. Okay, so I think we got it all put together. Now, first impressions. Now, the instructions wasn't that hard. It just took a little bit of configuring here because I was twisting this and I'm like, man, should it be that tight when you twist it? I didn't really want to break this, so I really was going nice and slow because I didn't want to break this one, and this key is the only one that fits this screw here. So I'm like, okay, gotta go nice and slow, get it nice and flush, and then everything was good. But first impressions of this actually looks really, really nice. Y'all know I'm a big fan of black, red, blue, and white, so y'all already knew. I got me a gray stand there. Y'all knew I was gonna pick me up an all black one. Y'all know how we do. So first impressions, I like the overall look of this, and this is really, really nice. Now, it's got the texturized bottom, so it doesn't really move around. Once I put it down on my table here, it looks really, really clean. Alright, and now I can just throw my device on it, use my device in portrait mode orientation or landscape mode orientation. So as you can see here, this is landscape mode orientation. If I want to watch a movie, watch a video, anything like that, this is how it would look. Or if I was like FaceTiming or, you know, stuff like that, could put it up like this. That looks really, really good. Really good. So I actually like this. This looks really awesome here. I can't complain. So first impressions of this, I like it. Anyways, that pretty much does it for this video here. Now, my full review for this bad boy right here should probably be out in about a week from the posting of this video. So I'm going to use it for a good amount of time and with all of my different devices and let y'all know if this is worth picking up. Alright, so y'all be on the lookout for my full review of yet another desktop phone stand. Okay, alright, that being said, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this real quick video. If you did enjoy this real quick video and or you found it helpful in any way, shape, form, or fashion, please help your boy out and give the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you'd like to see more content like this, also feel free to hit the subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. That being said, if this video did pique your interest and you guys and gals would like to know where you can pick up this desktop phone stand for yourself, all the links to where y'all can pick this bad boy up at some really great prices will be available down below in the video description. Okay, so as always, if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description should be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. That being said, this whole video here this evening was recorded, and this might shock y'all, using the rear-facing 12 megapixel camera on the Moto G7 Power, okay, in 720p resolution at 30 frames per second with no external audio hooked up. So everything you guys and gals are seeing and hearing is coming directly from the cameras and microphones on the Moto G7 Power. So let me know what y'all think of this one. Now, responsible for all the stabilization duties here this evening, we are using the Smooth Q gimbal, my ADAI extension pole, and my Mini Manfrotto tripod. So let me know what y'all think of the overall stabilization, the video quality, and the audio quality down below in the comments. As always, your feedback is greatly appreciated. I hope y'all have a great evening, and I will catch you guys and gals in the next video. Peace, everyone. We out of here.